Alright, Mazda 3 2016 BN SP25GT. This little speedo glitch not working. So we need to replace a microchip which I've ordered off AliExpress. The link is in the description. There's actually apparently two chips. One for a different part of the display, but the one I'm specifically focusing on is this one here. So we need to remove this. Alright, so what you want to do, get a tool in there, okay, out, and then on this end as well, in there, okay. Then doing it with one hand, you can take the cover off. So I've only got one hand, so excuse me while I get this done. So on mine, it's got a little cloth trim here. It seems to be holding this in place. But now I can get access. Get access to two screws there. And you can see some more screws under there, so let's keep going. Once you've got those 4 screws removed, you can take this trim and this piece off. It is quite finicky, so what I would suggest is to lower the steering wheel and pull the steering wheel out towards you, because then you can actually have clearance to lift this thing out. Okay, so there's also a connector around the back. There we go. Got it out. That's the connector there. So now let's tear this down.